Hello, everyone. Welcome to my Simple English podcast. I am Mark. I am so happy you are here today.
And I am Sarah. Hello. We are your friends, and we are here to help you practice your English. How are you today, Mark?
I am great, Sarah. Actually, I am very excited. Last night, I looked out my window and I saw something beautiful.
Oh, what did you see?
I saw the moon. It was so big and so bright. It made me think we should talk about the moon today. It is a great topic for our listeners.
That is a wonderful idea, Mark. The moon is something everyone in the whole world can see. It does not matter if you are in Japan, Brazil, or France. We all share the same moon.
Exactly. But Sarah, why is it good for English learners to talk about the moon? It seems like science, and science can be hard.
That is a good question. Learning words about nature and the sky is very helpful. We use these words when we talk about the weather, our weekend plans, or even when we feel romantic. Plus, the words we will use today are very common.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start the lesson.
Today, we will look at 3 simple ways to talk about the moon.
What is the first one?
The first one is describing how it looks. We use the pattern, the moon looks plus an adjective. For example, the moon looks bright.
Oh, I like that. The moon looks bright. Or the moon looks white.
Perfect, Mark. The second pattern is about the shape of the moon. The moon changes its shape every night. We call these phases, but for now, let's use the phrase, it is a plus the shape. For example, it is a full moon.
It is a full moon. That's when it is a big, perfect circle, right?
Yes, and the third pattern is about where the moon is. We say the moon is in the, usually, the moon is in the sky.
The moon is in the sky. That's easy to remember. Let's practice these. Sarah, imagine we're outside. We're walking in the park at night.
Okay, I'm looking up at the trees.
Wow, Sarah, look up. The moon looks so yellow tonight.
You are right, Mark. It is a full moon. It is very beautiful.
I can see everything because it is so bright. The moon is in the sky and there are no clouds.
It is a perfect night for a walk.
Sarah, I have a question. Sometimes the moon is not a circle. Sometimes it looks like a banana. What do we call that?
That is a funny way to say it. When it looks like a banana, we call it a crescent moon. Can you say that, Mark?
Crescent. Crescent. A crescent moon.
Exactly. So you can say, tonight is a crescent moon.
I see. Let's try another scenario. Imagine we're camping. We're sitting by a fire.
I love camping.
It is very dark out here in the woods. I'm a little bit scared, Sarah.
Do not be scared, Mark. Look up. The moon is in the sky.
Oh, but it is very small tonight. It is a crescent moon.
Yes, so it is not very bright, but it still looks pretty, doesn't it?
It does. The moon looks very peaceful.
Mark, did you know the moon is very important for the Earth?
I know it is pretty, but what does it do?
Well, it helps the ocean. It moves the water up and down. We call this the tide.
Oh, so when I go to the beach and the water comes closer to my towel, that's because of the moon.
Yes, the moon is like a big magnet for the water.
That is amazing. The moon is far away, but it touches the water here on Earth.
It is about 238,000 miles away. That's a very long way.
238,000? Wow, I can't even walk that far in 1,000 years.
No, you would need a rocket ship.
Mark, do people in America or England talk about the moon in a special way?
Yes, we do. We have a very famous idiom. We say something happens once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon? Does the moon actually turn blue?
No, not really. Once in a blue moon just means something happens very, very rarely. It almost never happens.
Oh, so for example, I only exercise once in a blue moon.
Mark, you should exercise more. But yes, that is a perfect example. Or, my brother calls me once in a blue moon. It means he doesn't call often.
That's a great phrase. I will use that. I eat chocolate only once in a blue moon.
Is that true, Mark?
Okay, maybe not. I eat chocolate every day.
We also talk about the man in the moon.
The man in the moon? Is there a man living there?
No, but some people think the dark spots on the moon look like a face with eyes and a mouth. So children say they see the man in the moon.
I see it too. Sometimes it looks like he is smiling at us.
Now it is time for our listeners to practice. This is the shadowing section. I will say a sentence, and then there will be a pause. You, the listener, should repeat the sentence out loud.
This is very important for your speaking skills. Are you ready?
Sentence number 1. The moon looks bright.
Great. Sentence number 2. It is a full moon.
Sentence number 3. The moon is in the sky.
And the last one, our special phrase, once in a blue moon.
Very good. You are doing a great job. Your English is getting better every minute.
Sarah, that was a great start. We learned about the shapes, the colors, and even a blue moon.
We did, but there's still more to talk about. We need to talk about people walking on the moon and some more fun words like moonlight.
I want to hear about that. And I want to hear about how the moon changes how we feel.
We will do all of that in part 2.
Listeners, please stay with us. We have so much more to share.
This is the end of part 1. We will be right back with more English.
You in a moment. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our episode about the moon. I am Mark, and I am still here with the wonderful teacher, Sarah.
Hello again. I am so happy you stayed with us. In part 1, we talked about how the moon looks. Now we're going to talk about something very exciting, traveling to the moon.
That is my favorite part. I remember seeing pictures of people on the moon. It looks like so much fun to jump around up there.
It does look fun, but it is also very difficult to get there. Mark, do you know the name for a person who travels into space?
Oh, I know this one. It is an astronaut.
Perfect, an astronaut. In 1969, the first humans walked on the moon. They were from the United States.
1969. That was a long time ago. I bet they were very brave.
They were very brave. When the first man, Neil Armstrong, stepped onto the moon, he said a very famous sentence. He said, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
One giant leap. That means a very big jump, right?
Exactly. It was a big jump for all of us because it showed that humans can do amazing things.
Okay, Sarah, let's learn some more English. What are our new patterns for this part?
Let's look at how the moon affects our night. The first pattern is there is a lot of plus moonlight.
There is a lot of moonlight. I like that word, moonlight. It sounds very pretty.
It is. Moonlight is the light that comes from the moon at night. Our second pattern is the moon rises at plus a time.
The moon rises at 8 o'clock, just like the sun, right? The sun rises in the morning and the moon rises in the evening.
That is right. And our third pattern is I want to go to, for example, I want to go to the moon.
I definitely want to go to the moon. I want to see the Earth from far away. Let's use these phrases. Sarah, imagine we're looking out of a window at night.
Okay, it is very late.
Look, Sarah, there is a lot of moonlight tonight. I don't even need to turn on the lamp.
You are right. Everything looks silver and white. What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock. The moon rises at 7 o'clock tonight, so it is high in the sky now.
It is so beautiful. Sometimes when I look at it, I think, I want to go to the moon.
Me too, but I think the trip is very long, and I would miss my bed.
Yes, and there is no pizza on the moon, Mark.
Oh no, no pizza? Okay, maybe I will just stay here and look at it through my window. Sarah, are there other special names for the moon?
Yes, in the autumn, usually in September, we have the harvest moon.
The harvest moon? Why is it called that?
A long time ago, farmers did not have electric lights in their fields. When it was time to collect the food, the harvest, they needed more light to work.
Oh, so they used the moonlight to see at night.
Exactly. The harvest moon is very big and stays bright for a long time. It helped the farmers work after the sun went down.
That is so cool. So the moon helped people eat.
Yes, and in some cultures there is a moon festival. People eat special moon cakes. They are round and sweet.
Moon cakes. Now you are talking about my favorite thing, food. I want to try a moon cake.
Before we finish, let's practice our new sentences. Listeners, please repeat after me.
Sentence number 1. There is a lot of moonlight. Sentence number 2. The moon rises at 7 o'clock. Sentence number 3. I want to go to the moon. And let's try a hard one. The astronaut walked on the moon. You did it! Excellent work! Wow, Sarah, I learned so much today. I learned about crescent moons, blue moons, and even moon cakes.
I am so glad, Mark, and I hope our listeners learned some new words too. Remember, the best way to learn English is to practice a little bit every day.
Just like the moon, it changes a little bit every night.
That is a very poetic thought, Mark.
Thank you. Listeners, if you liked this episode, please subscribe to My Simple English podcast.
And please leave a comment. Tell us, do you like the moon? What does the moon look like in your country tonight?
We love reading your comments. They make us very happy.
Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night under the moonlight.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.